In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how we're using the 99 Delta deep in the money call option to sell in the money covered calls using all the stocks we use. We're generating incredible cash flow and having incredible downside protection while we're doing it. We're doing an in the money covered call, but instead of buying the shares, we're going to go ahead and use a 99 Delta deep in the money call option. I explain it in this video. I want you to stick around because at the end of the video, I'm going to show you something incredible. So stick around. Now, look, before we get there, check this out. This year is turning out to be pretty darn special. We're already at 394,000 just selling covered calls, writing cash secure puts, using the 99 Delta, using the poor man's covered call. The members get every single video. You get it in the phone app, email, and blog post. I'll tell you right now, I think you can see that. Can you see that? We have 1 week left, and that would be $93,000 for the month of May. This will be my biggest month ever. And all we do is write covered calls, sell puts. That's it. We don't buy and hold. We don't do any sort of options trading that isn't selling premium. Take a look at this. 2026. There's been basically 20 weeks in 2026. Okay, 20 weeks in 2026, I have made over $10,000 in a week. 17 of them. 17 of them. This is incredible. This is a year that is going to blow away anything I would have ever thought. Now, hey, look, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I'm doing a lot of this using the 99 Delta deep in the money call option, where we buy that call option. I'm going to show you the one we buy, and then we write the in the money covered call. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you a slide. Now, I'm not going to talk about the slide. You're going to have to look at the slide. It talks about the difference between buying shares and buying the 99 Delta deep in the money call option, so we can then do an in-the-money covered call. In-the-money covered calls are my favorite. It gives us downside protection for every trade. That means the stock can actually fall, and I can still have a profitable outcome. I get downside protection. It's like doing an out-of-the-money cash secure put. A lot of people do cash secure puts to generate cash flow. Sometimes you have to buy the shares because you don't have the cash in your account, but brokerages might let you trade on settled money. Well, that's when you could then buy the shares, write the covered call. I'll tell you what, these are the things we talk about at the membership. And if you wanted to become a member, it's in the description below. Get your 1 free month offer. Would love to welcome you aboard. Hey, look, I'm going to turn it over to him. Check this out. We're using the 99 Delta deep in the money call option. It's about 35 days out. We go ahead and start writing weekly in the money covered calls with incredible cash flow, downside protection, and I'll tell you what, we make more cash on cash percentage gain than somebody that actually buys the stock. Stick around. I know you're going to like this one. Hey, welcome back, everyone. I want to talk about this NVDL trade. This is the 99 Delta deep in the money call option trade where I bought that deep in the money call option, and we sold an in the money covered call, giving myself downside protection. I love giving myself downside protection. You know, in every single trade I do, I try to find a way to give myself downside protection. Why? Because I always figure I got to fade the trade. I'm not so good that I think that if I enter an investment, it's going to go higher. So I always fade the trade. And in this case, with NVDL trading around Nvidia's earnings, I figured I was going to give myself some downside protection. Now, let's talk about the 99 Delta deep in the money call option trade. This trade requires me to buy a 99 Delta deep in the money call option. I like to buy about a 35-day to 40-day out call option. Now, it's going to be the deepest of the deep because we don't want to pay that much time value cost when we buy the right but not the obligation to buy somebody's shares at that price. So once we buy that, we're going to go ahead and then write a regular in the money covered call. Because when we buy that 99 Delta in the money call option, we're simulating stock ownership. See, if you wanted to buy the shares and then write the deep in the money covered call, well, that's the standard way to do it. You own the shares and you write an in the money covered call. The call buyer is going to pay you the intrinsic value plus the time value, and that's going to be the profit in your trade. Well, I'm going to buy the 99 delta in the money call option. That gives me the paper to buy somebody's shares at a strike price I pick, and I'm going to write a in the money covered call. I'm going to make the same per trade profit. Now, let's go ahead and talk about this trade in particular. This trade was opened back on May 12th, and it was going to close on May 22nd. This is NVDL, and NVDL is the Nvidia 2x leveraged ETF. Now, we're going to go ahead, when it's trading at $110.53, we're going to sell the 96 deep in the money covered call. And they paid me $16.60. Now, of course, we know that the intrinsic value is not profit. The $2.07 is profit. Now, had I bought the shares, the way you figure this out, you take your time value premium. That's the $2.07. And you divide that by the cost of the trade, $110.53 per share. That's going to give you your cash on cash percentage gain for this time frame. Now, enter the 99 delta deep in the money call option. See, I don't buy the shares at $110.53 because I went ahead and I bought the 50 strike and I paid $60.30 for that right to buy his shares at 50. So all I'm doing is restructuring stock ownership. Instead of buying the shares, I'm buying this 50 strike deep in the money call option. It's got to be a 99 delta. Why? Because options delta reflect a 1-for-1 move in the stock. So if a stock moves $1, you want your option, this 99 delta option, to move $1. The only way we can achieve this is if we use a short-dated deep in the money call option. If I bought a leaps call option 3 months to 6 months out, or even a year, I'm going to pay a lot of time value premium in that option. Right? To buy the right to take this guy's shares, I'm going to pay him some covered call premium. And of course, that means we can't write a weekly deep in the money covered call and make the money I'm showing you on screen. Hell, that might even be the cost of buying the leaps. But because we're using a 35 to 40 day 99 delta deep in the money call option, there's not much time value cost. And in this case, when I buy this call option, I only paid 23 cents. That is the cost for me to basically have the right to write covered calls against this guy's shares. I own the paper. I own the right to buy his shares at 50 when I pay $60.30. Now, I still have the same risk because look, if NVDL falls, this option for which I paid $60.30 will fall 99% of a $1 move. And that's pretty nasty when you think about it from a percentage standpoint. $1 on a $60 investment? Yeah, you have to understand that. But here's the deal. What we're hoping for is that NVDL will trade higher, sideways, or right above our 96 strike. We want our shares taken away. And that's exactly what will happen if you own the shares. We don't own the shares. So why would I ever do this? Why would I ever do this? I'll tell you why I would do this. Because I don't invest as much money up front. Let's do a little math on what it would cost me if I bought the shares outright. Mind you, this is going to be on 500 shares. So $110.53 times 500 is going to be $55,265. I got to lay that much out to put on this trade. Well, as you can see already on screen, I did not put that much money out. I only put out $30,000. So I'm making more cash on cash because you take the premium you make and divide it by the money you invested. This trade's going to make me 3.4%. Let's go ahead and do the math on a standard trade where I use the shares. We're going to go ahead and make $1,035 divided by that $55,000. And this trade would make 1.8%. So you ask the question, why do I do this, John? Because I can make more cash on cash percentage gain with my money invested. And if that's all I have to do is buy a 99 delta deep in the money call option and then manage the two legs of the trade, let me finish up with this. Because what ends up happening is I have to buy back my near-term covered call, closing that portion of the trade. then selling the 99 delta deep in the money call option to realize all the profit. And that's exactly what I did in this trade. NVDL actually goes higher. I actually have to buy back the near-term covered call at a loss. Well, we go ahead and do that, and that's okay, because remember, our 99 delta is moving 99% of a $1 move in the stock. And sure enough, as we close this trade, we lose money. We then sell the 99 delta, making money. And when we do that, all the money is on the table. No different than if we bought the shares and did an in-the-money covered call. We spent money for the 99 delta deep in the money call option. We then made money when we sold it. Our near-term covered call profit, well, that's not a profit. We had to buy that back because NVDL went higher, so we got to pay more money. But that's okay, because when it washes out, this trade made $1,150, or 3.81%. Now you say to yourself, John, that doesn't seem right. You are only supposed to make $1,035 on your projected trade. The reason I made more money on this trade is because as the stock moved higher, this 99 delta leap starts to have some time value premium growing in it as well. See, when I started this trade, it only had 23 cents of time value premium in it. Obviously, when I sold it, it had more, and I was able to make more money. Now, this is a beautiful example, and sometimes that may not happen. I may actually make less, but if it plays like this, we get out of the trade, just like you would if you own the shares. Hey, if I have to do a little more extra work to make that kind of cash-on-cash percentage gain, I'll do it every day of the week. I'll tell you what, most of these trades that I'm doing, I'm making about 0.5 to 1 full percent over what I would have made on a standard in-the-money covered call. Let's take a look. Let's take a look at what I did this past week. We had 5 of those trades. And I'll tell you what, it's dominating a lot of my trading because we're making incredible premium cash flow and we're not putting up that much capital. Love using the 99 delta deep in the money call option in lieu of buying the shares. Remember, at the membership, I show the members that they could have done a standard buy the share, do the in-the-money covered call, or the cash secure put. It's basically all the same trade. You're just restructuring the money invested. With a cash secure put, you put up the cash. With a traditional in-the-money covered call, you buy the shares. And in my using the 99 delta deep in the money call option, I just buy that call option and then do the same in the money. It's just when the trade ends, a cash secure put can end or expire worthless. You cannot be assigned the shares. The in-the-money covered call, it would expire worthless. They would then take your shares. You would be given the cash. But in the case of my trade, I'm going to have to close the near-term covered call to alleviate the obligation for somebody taking shares I don't have. So I then immediately sell my 99 delta deep in the money call option, realizing the same money on the table. Hey, look, at the end of the day, I want you to up your game. I want you to join the membership so you learn this stuff and you could do it just like me. Hey, look, in the description below, get your 1 free month offer. Would love to welcome you aboard. Hey, look, be safe, be healthy, most important, be lucky. Until next time, may all your covered calls be profitable.